Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add an indicator right here in PrimeXBT. And if you can see it already here left in the bottom, this is a chart supported by TradingView. And this means that you can do exactly the same things that you can do on TradingView. But if you never have using Trading4 before, I will show you exactly how it works. Because right here you see standing here indicators. And if you click on indicators, you can see here a massive list with a lot of options, but let's say we want to add the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Then we select right here the Relative Strength Index, and now you will find right here the Relative Strength Index on the chart. Then if you want to remove it, you can go right here with your mouse to the name, 3 dots, remove, and this is how you can add an indicator and remove an indicator right here on PrimeXBT. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.